Hello and welcome back. Today I'm going to make my tasty chocolate brownie recipe with Morello cherries sprinkled on top. I hope you enjoy them and don't forget to like and subscribe. Now all we need for this recipe is, of course, chocolate, sugar, butter, some chocolate chips to sprinkle, some flour, Morello cherries to sprinkle, some vanilla extract and some eggs and the chocolate. The first thing you need to do is put your butter in your pan and then add your chocolate. I'm going to put this on a low heat on the hob and let it all melt together slowly. The chocolate is all melted and it's beautiful and glossy. You do need to keep an eye on this when it's melting because you need to do it slowly, otherwise the chocolate will burn and it will separate. Once that's done, the next bit is so easy. I'm just going to add 2 teaspoons of vanilla extract to my egg. I'm just going to beat that a little bit. Take that spoon out of there. And all I'm going to do now is beat that into my chocolate sauce. Keep beating until it's all combined, and now I'm just going to add the sugar and we pour that in and we keep going until it's all mixed in, and lastly we just beat in the flour. Keep going until it's all mixed in. Use a whisk, it's the easiest way to do it. That is your basic brownie mixture. And now all I have to do is pour it into my prepared tin. Look at that. Brownies are really easy to make and they're so worth making yourself because they are very different to the ones that you get from the shops. And I never have any of these left. They go really quickly. I'm just going to move it around so it goes into all the corners. There we go. And all I have to do now is to sprinkle on these gorgeous Morello cherries. You can add any type of fruit. Once you've made it, you could add nuts if you want to. I don't add nuts because I'm allergic to them, but you know, you could add marshmallows, white chocolate chunks, raspberries, anything you like. Play with it, have some fun. And the children will enjoy doing this as well as eating them. And lastly, I'm just going to sprinkle on some chocolate chips. I always think you can never have too much chocolate. There we go. And that's it. All I'm going to do now is put it in the oven at 180 for 30 minutes. These have been in the oven for half an hour and they're just beginning to crack around the edges. All you have to do now is wait. Leave them to cool completely in the tin. And if you can wait till the next day, wait, because they'll taste so much better. Well, that's it. My brownies are finished and ready to eat. I'm going to enjoy them with a nice cup of coffee, and I think my crew are going to enjoy them as well. Please don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you again next time. Bye. The first thing you need to do is put your chocolate, sorry,
It's alright.
that's not chocolate, it's butter.